How to delete your iCloud account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your iCloud account permanently. So, if you go to your settings and then go to your iCloud account, there you'll only see the option named sign out and you won't find the option delete account anywhere. So, in order to delete your iCloud account or your Apple ID, you'll have to first of all go to Safari or any other web browser. After that, simply type in privacy.apple.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of data and privacy of Apple, so you'll have to continue using your passcode or your Apple ID. So for now I'll simply enter my device passcode and then this site will load where you can see the option manage your data. So you can see the option obtain a copy of your data, transfer a copy of your data, correct your data, temporarily deactivate your account and finally delete your account. So since we are here to permanently delete our iCloud account, we'll simply tap on the option request to delete your account. After that, you will be taken to this page where you can read what happens when my account is deleted, etc. So, in order to delete your account, you'll have to scroll to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option please select a reason. So, you'll have to first of all select a reason as to why you are deleting your iCloud account. So, simply choose a reason and then tap on the option continue. After that, it will provide you the important things to know before deleting your account. So, once you've gone through all of those, tap on the option continue and then tap on this bar right over here which says I have read and agreed to these terms and conditions. So simply tap on the option continue and now you'll have to choose how you receive account status updates. So it may be your phone number, your email address, or you can use another phone number. For now I'll simply use the one associated with my iCloud account and then tap on the option continue. Now it will provide you with the access code for your record, so it will be the only way to verify your identity with Apple support if anything goes wrong. So if you want, you can print this, download this, or write it down anywhere. So once you've done that, tap on the option continue. After that, you will be taken to this page where it will ask you to enter your access code which was shown to you earlier. So simply enter that access code. Now once you've done that, tap on the option done and then tap on the option continue. After that, you will be taken to this page where you can see the option delete account in red. Simply tap on it and there you have it. So that is basically how you delete your iCloud account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.